Welcome back to the final segment of Investing with Confidence. I am your host, Joshua David, talking about the do's and the don'ts of the financial markets. That would be stocks, options, futures, Forex, and cryptocurrency trading and investing. Located right here in Bloomington, next to the Mall of America Online Trading Academy, actually on their 25th year, teaching people just like you how to trade and invest in these markets. The great cool thing is they don't teach us anywhere else. They don't teach us, kids trading, investing in school or college. So people just like you on how to get in these markets and do that with consistency and confidence. If you happen to miss this investing class that we do right here in Bloomington, just text the word invest to the number 484848. It's about 2 hours, and you can also learn different techniques about how to time the market by letting price come to you, how to buy at wholesale, sell at retail, just like the financial institutions do, but also some of those common mistakes that those novice investors make and how to eliminate them. So, Al, we got into like trading as a short-term trader in the markets using leveraged assets like futures and Forex,
hmm
even options as well. And we got into the retirement side of it, how what are the smart money doing and using to have income potential with retirement accounts, because that's what it's all about. Is when you retire, you can't just be done. People want to have something to do for one, but you don't want to just draw down those retirement assets. And we talked about protecting what you have. I mean, great markets right now, but you have to protect those gains as well. Now, some of our listeners are probably wondering and what it actually looks like as a trader or an investor, and how to get set up with their accounts and stuff like that. I know you really dive into more of that in
hmm
these investing classes that you teach, but what does it actually look like for a trader or investor? Is it stressful? Is there a lot of emotion into it as when you do it like the pros do it?
Well, one of our goals is, I almost hate to say this, is to kind of try to make it boring.
Hmm.
Uh, you don't want to add stress to your life. People have enough stress as it is, and in the finances, that's on its own a stressful situation. So what we want to do is try to reduce that stress, make this as simple as possible through the proper education and also the proper tools and resources to help guide you through this. Also, having access to somebody that can help you if you need help. And you know what? If you start doing this, there will be situations where you need some help, you need some guidance. And one of the great things about the Online Trading Academy is that this is a physical location, a physical building here where there are people here every day, many of who are student support specialists who are here to help
Hmm.
guide you and to help if you are having any issues, if things aren't going the way that you feel they should go, you're not comfortable with it, let's turn that around. If things are going really well and you're not sure why, you want to make sure you know that too.
Yeah,
But
what's cool is we get a lot of golfers that come to the academy. A lot of people
yeah,
that play
yeah,
at Legends. I mean, I love playing at Legends and
right.
these different places. And they say this is kind of like a country club for
It
trading and
is.
investing.
It is.
It's crazy how the community behind trading and investing, rather than doing it alone, having people that have been in the markets and really know how to kind of speed up your learning process and everything.
Yeah.
It's all about that education, how you can learn it the fastest way possible.
Right. If you are hanging around with people that are not successful investors, if you're hanging around with people that have lost money in the market, there's a good chance you're not going to be successful and you're going to lose money in the market. Why not spend time with people that can help you, can help motivate you, help give you some guidance and some suggestions that may be to your benefit? But that country club aspect of it, the social aspect of it, is an important part for our students. But it's getting the proper education that doesn't include all the fluff and the noise that's out there. It just concentrates on what is factually important. What is the most important thing? It's price. It's finding the right price to get into or out of something that gives you the lowest risk entry or exit and gives you the highest probability of it working with the highest profit potential. Those are things that guide our education. One of the things that we've done to help our students is to provide a training analysis and education platform for them that basically is like somebody taking you by the hand and walking you down the path of going from, yeah, this looks like it might be a good investment to identifying whether, in fact, it is a good investment or a bad one. And this platform will actually tell you with an alert if it's not a good trade for you. So we're constantly doing things to simplify the process, but also to be here to make sure that that you are progressing properly down the right path to get you to the point where you can, bridge the gap from where you are when you started to where you want to be. Live your life the way you want to live it. Choose a goal, find something that maybe exceeds what you thought you could have. Don't just settle for mediocrity because things are easy to get. Maybe choose something or shoot for something that maybe is a little bit out of what you thought was possible.
Reach for the stars.
Reach for the stars, and you may find that it is achievable, or maybe it's not, but you get close to it, and even that's better than sitting where you are.
Yeah, when Al is talking about a platform, that's where your trading and investment decisions are made. That's where you get your data from. And we talk about price charts every once in a while here on the show. And that's where you get those price charts is on a platform. And Online Trading Academy, had built a platform, 5 years ago started it.
Right.
And it's just having that platform that has the tools for traders and investors, not like, I don't want to talk bad about them, but the broker platforms, which it's just data that they want people to make trades on. So it's education built into this platform, and that'll really help you make smart investing decisions is by having something guides you through your process. If you need help with finding platforms, help with getting in the right investments is based on different plans and everything, Online Trading Academy has strategies for every style of trading and investing, whether it's short-term trading, long-term investing, or just mid-term trading. Like say you're looking for some income potential during your working years, there's strategies and techniques that investors might be able to use for that. So just text the word invest to the number 484848 for free investing class that we're doing right here in Bloomington, so we can introduce you to those techniques and concepts and really to get started right away. Just text the word invest to the number 484848. We'll send you a text back with two things. There's going to be a link with our website, which is otamin.com. That's otaminn.com. But also the link to a short video on what to expect in this investing class. That way you can kind of have a little preview on what you're going to learn and be introduced to in the free workshop that you come into. And Al teaches these right here in Bloomington. So we talk about kind of in the beginning of the section, you gotta, there's markets that are going up, there's markets that are going down, but you have to have a trading and investment plan. You just like a business has a business plan. Here's what they're going to do, and here's why, and here's how they're going to achieve that. I know we're getting close to the end of the show here, Al. We got about 2 minutes here, minute and a half. Talk real quick what a plan looks like in the trading and investing.
Yeah, a plan includes that investment strategy, the core strategy. It includes the assets that are appropriate for you. It also includes a way of controlling your emotions, making sure that you are trading based on what's factual and not what is going to involve your overthinking or letting your gut get involved. And remember that the people that are doing this professionally, they don't have any special talents that they were born with. They just have more knowledge, and that knowledge came through education. So education should be part of the plan, making sure that you don't just start with something and then forget it. Education is a process. It's a path you follow. And as it grows, as you become more knowledgeable financially, also the opportunities that are available to you and the successes that you have should grow with that.
You're right. And some of those steps in the plan is actually built into Click, right? That
it is.
Trading investment platform. So if you have a dollar amount that you want to, be able to risk in the market, let's just, for example, say $100. Well, there's strategies in that platform actually walks you through that. So if that's your dollar amount, it'll tell you, okay, here's how many shares you can do. Here's how far you can take this price to. So it's actually walking you through that strategy. And Al, that really helps build confidence and consistency as well.
Yeah, and what you just described was something that is specific to an individual. Each
Exactly.
person, each platform is set up specifically for you and how you want to trade and basically how unique you are.
Yeah, so you have to begin that process, as Al was talking about, with a little bit of education. That's these investing classes that we do right here in Bloomington. That starts with education and then building some knowledge, right? Once you have the knowledge, it's about applying that knowledge, which is skill. And that's what Online Trading Academy does, is has education for building knowledge.
And also skill. Skill is something that is built by repeating something that works.
Yeah, so it starts with knowledge, building the skill to make smart investing decisions. So last giveaway of the show for callers 1 through 10, I'm going to give away some tickets here. Call 952 814 4410